a snowstorm. I need to tell my mom and dad. Mom, Dad, is that snowstorm coming? Yes, at 6 p.m. Oh no, we are going to die! We are not going to die. It's because the snowstorm has a storm of what? Into rain. I agree with Mom. So go to watch some news. Okay. Oh yes, this in the snowstorm was coming here in the Mexico. Wait, what? What is that news coming from? Ma. Sister, what is that news from? Or what? Girls, this is the snowstorm coming with 6 p.m. Yes. What did you do? Oh my god. This is a hurricane or something. Bye guys.